Hi, in this video I want to talk about honesty. This is the next video in a series of videos about human qualities. So let's talk about honesty. And here's my short perspective on honesty. Honesty is like being honest is like being in love. It's much like being in love. It's when you don't give a damn about anything. You don't care. You don't care about what people think. You don't care about the voices in your head telling you to be different, to stop. It's being a pure channel of whatever comes to you. That's what honesty is. It's unrestricted something. Honesty is akin to freedom also. That's what it is. It's freedom from judgment. It's when you are not afraid to be judged by other people. It's when you're not judging yourself for being who you are. It's just pure expression. It's like you want to do something or you want to say something. You just say it without stopping yourself. Nothing. It's this ability to be vulnerable, to be open, to be sincere, to be pure, to be a pure expression of whatever you are in this moment. That's honesty. Also, I want to mention this, the fact that to me, honesty also is connected with the heart. This is what we call heart. It's this unitary point of view. You know, we have the mind and the heart. Mind always divides things, okay? And heart has this unity consciousness in it, okay? I'll give you an example. Heart knows temperature, for example, and the mind knows hot and cold, but heart only knows temperature. It doesn't care if it's hot. It doesn't care if it's cold. It doesn't have any restrictions in terms of temperature, okay? So it's a unitary point of view on life, on things, on situation, on the moment. So when you are being this pure channel of this, just being present, and whatever comes, you can call yourself honest. When you stop stopping yourself, every time you want to say something or you want to express something, you're being honest to yourself. You want something, go get it. Don't start making excuses for why you can't or why shouldn't you and all those things. And when you say you are happy, for example, are you lying to yourself? Or are you being really honest? Because if you're really, really honest to yourself and you understand that you're not happy, you gotta understand you're making a huge leap forward to happiness. Just recognition of this fact that, wow, I was lying to myself all this time. I thought I'm happy surrounding myself with things and objects and people. But really, am I happy deep inside? And when you really recognize that and just allow yourself to be vulnerable, allow yourself to cry because something there tells you, wow, you've been lying to me for many years, you know, that recognition changes everything. And that's honesty. That's the thing that will help you do crazy things in life. Like, wow, you will change your life so dramatically. And you have to start with yourself. You know that saying honesty to yourself is the key to paradise? So right on. Use it. Become honest. Say, screw everything, I don't care. I'm ready. I'm gonna be open and vulnerable. I don't care. And when you do, you unleash yourself. You live freely. You become that freedom. You become life itself. It's awesome. Believe me, it's awesome. Start exploring that. Find that honesty with you. It's a given. We have it. We all have it. Honesty is a given. It's just the mind and the voices in your head that tells you people gonna think something about you. Ignore them. Just ignore them. Say it's okay, I choose to be honest. And next time somebody asks you something, instead of lying to them, just be honest. Give them your honest opinion. That's it. It's gonna become your habit. It's gonna become trendy for you. You will so enjoy it. Many years ago, I used to lie a lot, all the time. And I thought it's normal. People lie to, I don't know, save people from troubles, familiar? Oh, I don't want to lie to him because he's gonna get upset. Oh, I don't want to tell him all this stuff. I don't want to tell my mom things because she's gonna feel bad. Okay? I don't want to get him upset or anything.
Sweet life.
Yeah. Oh, it's a good lie. It's a white lie or something. And you make excuses for yourself. But that's all lies still. See what you can do in the world. See how can you change the world by saying the truth. What if instead of lying to them, you told them the truth? Maybe they will recognize something in themselves and they'll get to the next level of understanding life, understanding themselves. Yes, it might hurt in the moment, but that's the point of these things. That's the point of truth. Yes, it does hurt in the moment sometimes, but it is truth, and it will help you get to the next level where it doesn't hurt at all anymore. You know? So start exploring this feeling, start exploring this quality. It's a must have in the future world where everybody's going to be happy, united, joyful. Okay? This is the thing that will help us all, basically, all of humanity. If you start developing honesty, it will help us all. So, if you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for us. Please. So, that's pretty much what I wanted to say today about honesty. Sums it up pretty nicely. So, enjoy your day, subscribe, ask questions, and live your life fully. Ciao.